Growing your Instagram followers organically takes effort and consistency. Here are some strategies to help you attract more followers. Create high-quality content. Share visually appealing and valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Quality content encourages people to follow you and share your posts. Consistency is key. Maintain a regular posting schedule. Whether it's daily, a few times a week, or weekly, consistency keeps your audience engaged and expecting your content. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and engage with your followers' content. Building relationships creates loyalty and encourages others to follow you. Use relevant hashtags. Research and use hashtags that are relevant to your content and target audience. Mix popular ones with more niche or specific tags to increase visibility. Collaborate and cross-promote. Partner with other influencers or brands in your niche for shoutouts, collaborations, or takeovers. This exposes you to their audience as well. Host giveaways or contests. Encourage engagement and attract new followers by hosting contests or giveaways. Ensure the rules involve sharing or tagging friends to expand your reach. Optimize your profile. Have a clear and attractive bio, profile picture, and use the highlights feature to showcase your best content. Make sure your profile represents your brand. Utilize Instagram features. Experiment with Instagram stories, reels, IGTV, and live videos. These features can attract different segments of your audience and increase your visibility. Follow and engage with similar accounts. Interact with accounts like yours by following, liking, and commenting on their posts. Genuine engagement can lead to reciprocal follows. Promote your Instagram on other platforms. Share your Instagram content on other social media platforms or your website to attract followers from different sources. Remember, while these strategies can help, organic growth takes time and patience. Focus on building genuine connections and providing value to your audience, and your follower count will grow steadily. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.